Your bass pattern is going to do is it's going to follow the chords. So it's going to go from here. Can you feel that, by the way? Is that a high sound or a low sound? One more time. Low. That's a low sound. Here's a lower sound. You see? Bass. Without bass, especially in dance music, you need that bass, or else the song doesn't have the energy that it needs, all right? So your pattern is gonna be like this. Watch, it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, repeat it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, and stop. Very good. Let's go ahead and give her a hand. You can see her bass. Have a seat. Thank you very much. You can see her bass notes here as well, right?